Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. So, you want a free project management tool, but free doesn't always mean useful. So, these free agents have very different rules. We're speaking about Asana, speaking about ClickUp, and speaking about Monday. So, one is great for teams, one is great for power users, and one is mostly for people working alone. So by the end of this video, you're going to be known exactly which one to sign up for user and how to migrate your data 3 months, for example, from now. So Asana, let's talk a little bit more about Asana. Now, Asana is the team king of the free world. Why? Because the free plan allows up to adding directly into your projects up to 10 users into your workspace. You get unlimited tasks and projects. It's perfect for small startups or marketing teams. You just needed to know who is doing what by when, for example, which I think is going to be really awesome. The reporting insights, I think, is something that is truly helpful. So the catch, no timeline or Gantt views on the free version. You're stuck with the list, board, and calendars. So if, just in case you needed complex dependencies, maybe Asana wants your credit card. But in my case, since speaking about only focusing, for example, only for the team, and let's say working everybody into just one specific project for almost 10 people, I think this one can do a really great difference. Now, on the other hand, for example, ClickUp. If Asana is a bicycle, for example, ClickUp is like a fighter jet because their free plan has no user limits and it includes features the others charged for. So speaking about to import people, to invite people directly here, you can invite as much as you can possibly can. So you get a built-in time tracking. You get, for example, here more elements. You get whiteboards. You get every native chat all for free. It's all in one winner for the 2026. And if you ask me for a downside, I think that for people who are just getting started with project management, this might feel a little bit complex. The learning curve is steep, and the 100 megabytes total storage limit fills up fast. And if you're loading high resolution images or videos into your project, well, this might be a lot of, in this case, could be just a small learning curve. Now, back here, for example, into Monday. Monday is the most beautiful tool on the list, but for free users, I must say that is most and truly restricted. Now, when you generate, for example, your own account here into Monday, usually it might be taking, of course, going to be asking you a few questions of it. Asana as well, but ClickUp, it might be taking so much more time for you to, let's say, start from scratch, right? So back into Monday, for example, I think this is one of the most amazing tools so far using Monday if you have some budget, because the free plan only allows 2 users, and if you have a third person join your team, you must upgrade. There's the freelancers, solopreneurs. It's amazing, of course, for people like us, but it has the best mobile application of the 3, and it's the easiest to set it up. And if you hate boring spreadsheets, I think that Monday can do it really great work. Now, what I don't like a lot, speaking about the free version of Monday, is that there's a lot of widgets, a lot of extensions, a lot of bots, a lot of stuff that can only be available for making the payment, right? So right now I can tell you that, speaking about the feature of the user limit of Asana, that has 10 users, clean collaboration, reliability, and no Gantt on free. ClickUp has unlimited users, power use, feature depth, and steep learning curve. And Monday has 2 users for solo freelancers, design mobile, and is very strict to pay well. So my recommendation between the 3 of them is that you can use Asana if you have a team of 5 to 10 people. ClickUp I will be using if you love customizing everything, and I use Monday if it's only for you and only for you. Maybe a partner, maybe if you want to invite a partner. Of course, the three of them are totally for free. You can try them out and you can see which one fits for you the best. But if you're, let's say for example, work by yourself into a specific project and you're going to be using this to organize yourself, I think that Monday does a really great work. And into your phone, into your mobile, actually this one looks really great. So which one are you going to be choosing? Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this and productive hacks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.